All right, we're going to start this demo, and before we get started, there's a couple things we need to do to prepare for the demo. Number one, you need to have installed MetaMask wallet on your browser, whether it's Chrome or Firefox. You can download the MetaMask wallet by going to metamask.io, and you're going to set up a wallet. And once you have it going, we're going to set it to the Rinkeby test network. And this is the blockchain that our demo is going to run off of. Because we're going to be publishing tokens, we need some gas to pay for those tokens. So what we're going to do is go to OpenSea. Now, OpenSea is called the largest marketplace for crypto collectibles with a broad set of categories. And I guess we're adding a new category to their network. For you non-crypto kind of people, once your MetaMask wallet is set up, you're going to set your MetaMask wallet to the Rinkeby test network. And then you're going to go to the OpenSea website. And we're going to connect to that through the MetaMask wallet, and in the top right hand corner you're going to see your account there. Maybe if this is the first time you've used it, you'll just see nothing there. You'll see your wallet address, and then you won't see any tokens in there. Up at the top right hand corner there's a little button that says add funds. OpenSea will grant you some free testnet ether, and you can just follow the instructions there, get some money, I think, by putting your social media URL in there, either Twitter or Facebook. Let's go back to our link here included beneath this video. You can just click on our Film React link there. So we go to our first page. We have our sort of title, kind of description of what we do. So what we're going to do is just hit the connect button. And what that is doing now, refresh that page. Now, if you haven't published any tokens yet, you're just going to see kind of a blank space in the library space at the top. So we're going to go to upload a file here. So we just give our file a name, and we'll call this End of the World, a sci-fi drama, a short film I shot a few years back with the actor Daniel Damer. He just had a big debut on Netflix the other week with a film called The Half of It. Sharing program here, grab a image from there, and I'm going to create 10 licenses. 10 tokens or 10 NFTs. I choose my file. Here's my video file that I'm going to upload, and I just hit the upload button. What's happening now is the file is being uploaded to our server. At the same time it's being uploaded, it's actually being encrypted. By that we mean we're using an SHA based encryption. What happens is when the tokens are created, the decryption key for that particular file is stored in our database and linked to the NFT token. As the file is being uploaded, it's also being encrypted. And you can see here now our platform is talking to MetaMask, which is sort of confirming your identity, your wallet, where these tokens are being created and where they're being stored. It's also requiring some funds to mint those tokens. And that's why we needed that Ethereum from OpenSea, that Rinkeby Ethereum. So our tokens are now published, and if you hit refresh on your page, you'll see in your library now there's your movie tokens. If you click on one of those, you can see the movie will appear in the player. You can size it to full screen, watch that movie. Okay, So you've just created your tokens. You're able to decrypt those tokens because in your MetaMask wallet, in your OpenSea wallet, if you go back to OpenSea and go to my account, the items, you will see those tokens in your OpenSea wallet. MetaMask doesn't support ERC721 tokens automatically, so they won't you won't see them in the address unless you manually sort of added the token contract to show how many of those you have in there. But for all intents and purposes, if you're moving these tokens, gifting them, buying or selling, right here within OpenSea, you can gift those tokens. You can send them to someone else's wallet. You can sell them, set a price, or have an auction where people will bid on the tokens. That's all done within the OpenSea marketplace and their platform, how they've set it up. So if you were to send these tokens to a second address from OpenSea here, when you go back to our Wefilm site, you'll find the tokens are missing from there and your video will not play. The video only plays where the tokens are present. So for you to send this movie to another user, as long as you have an Ethereum address to send it to, you can send it right within OpenSea here, like I'm doing. I'll send this to a second address, second account. Here's a look at that second account. There's nothing in there, and we'll just take a moment and send this token to that account. And there it is, being processed. A little bit of gas to send it on its way. And now when we open that particular MetaMask wallet, we can see that token has arrived in that account. And when we go to open our page, there's the film and it plays. And so that's it. So for you, anyone watching this demo at home, feel free to try it out. Again, get some test ether in your wallet before you try to mint coins, and you should be off and running. That's it.
We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You laughing on the freak show sitting next to you. You laughing with